Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video of 1-2-Step. In this video, let's learn how to change Spotify password using your phone. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. Now, if you're not using your desktop and you want to use your phone to change your password, then you can only reset your password instead of directly changing it within the platform of Spotify. So if you were using the website of Spotify on your desktops or laptops, you would easily find an option of changing your password. If you're trying to change it within your phone, you only have the option of resetting your password. So open up the settings of Spotify and scroll down and tap on support, which should be under about. Your web browser will open up and it's going to take you to the support page of Spotify. From this page, you can tap on account help. Tap on can't remember login details, and through this section, if you scroll down, you can see an option of reset password. They also give you a tutorial on how you can successfully reset your password. So tap on reset your password, and here you'll need to type in your email address or the username of your Spotify which you want to change the password of. So type in your email address or your username and tap on send. Now a password reset link will be sent to your email address. Open up your email and you will receive this password reset link from Spotify. Here you just need to tap on reset password, and through this section now you can create a new password. So type in the new password that you want. Make sure your password is at least 8 characters long, and in the second box again repeat it. Make sure that both of these passwords match, and then when you're done, just tap on send and your password will be successfully reset. Now you can open up your Spotify, and if you are automatically logged out, which might happen, then you can just open up Spotify and then log into your Spotify account using the new password that you created. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos similar to this, make sure to turn on the notifications so you get notified for more future videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.